Here's problem 4 from the 2014 AMC 8. The sum of two prime numbers is 85. What is the product of these two prime numbers? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's think about whether the numbers are even or odd. 85 is an odd number. When you add two whole numbers, the sum is odd only if one number is even and the other is odd. So one of our primes must be even, and the other must be odd. Now here's the key idea. The only even prime number is 2. Every other even number can be divided by 2. So it can't be prime. That means one of our primes has to be 2. If one prime is 2, the other must be 85 minus 2, which is 83, and 83 is a prime number. So this works. Our two primes are 2 and 83. Finally, the product of the two primes is 2 times 83, which equals 166. So the answer is 166, which is choice E.